Hi peeps, so glad you are part of this. Let's dive into this video. 24 divided by 12, which equals 2, and 24 divided by 12 equals 2. Now we have this problem, 2 divided by 2, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 24 divided by 12 equals 2. So we have 2 divided by 24 divided by 12, and we can write this part as 2 over 24 divided by 12. So we must keep the first fraction 2 over 24 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 12, which equals 2 over 288, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more.